What's cracking, everybody? Pete here from M&M and the gang, and we are in Palm Desert, California. It's a Thousand Trails Park, and it's pretty much 30-50 amp here, cement pads or somewhat, and dirt. It's a nice day. It's like about 85 degrees almost. You can still see some snow on the mountain caps there, mountain tops rather. So we've been here for about 2 weeks. We got another week to go, and we are heading to Las Vegas in our RVC to finish the work done on our coach. That door, that bay door, has to be replaced. It's in, and this fender, we are waiting for the right fender to come in. They sent the driver's side, and of course we need the passenger side. The driver and passenger sides are totally different. I'll show you. So you see on the passenger side, on the fender, you have that docking light and a marker light, and that's all. On the driver's side, you have, on the driver's side, you have our macerator hose, docking light, and marker light on that side, and then you have a cutout for our def tank. So this is the one they sent, which is the wrong one, so we got to get that replaced. And also when we're there, we have to get another adjustment done because I backed into the Jeep. We were being evacuated again from Thousand Trails Morgan Hill from flooding, and they evacuated us about 2:45 in the morning or so, and I'm backing up and misjudged how close the Jeep was. I actually couldn't see it that good, and I hit the back of the RV on the Jeep, cracked the fiberglass, scratched it up, bent out the cap here, and bent the radiator covering. So they're gonna do adjustment when we get there on the 8th. Actually, we're probably gonna leave on the 7th, so I can make sure I can get a spot, because we're gonna be staying there. We're gonna stay there until all the work is done. So yeah, not too much fun when you're being evacuated, but that's part of the RV life. Anyway, so been out today watching some A's and trying to clean my rims a little bit, and they're quite stained, so I'm gonna have to polish them. Yeah, got too much staining on them. Yeah, I did a half-ass job on them trying to clean them, but you know how that goes. It's hot. Yesterday was almost 90 degrees yesterday, so yeah. So once this part come in, you know, we're gonna have that fixed, and then the back will be fixed, and then the coach will look brand new again. Yeah, it's 2019, so far that's about the only damage done to it. This is where I backed into the RV. The bumper here was dented in. It was pushed in, and it was pushed all the way into the tire. And if you look inside, you can see the metal is bent up. It's bent sort of in there, so just gonna have to get that straightened out, take the bumper off and hammer that back. You know, I can do that myself, so save some money. And you can see how the bumper is bent a little bit right here. It's bent up, so I need to take that off and repair it. But other than that, you know, things are going good, having a good time. Can't wait to do some traveling once we get the coach fixed. Darn A's. Intentional walking in. But like I said, this is a nice park. It's there's a lot of dirt or sand, a lot of palm trees. If you look around, palm trees everywhere. But it's nice city here. You got a lot of restaurants, a lot of things to do in the area. So we don't mind coming down here. Like I said, we've been here probably about 4 times. We've been down here. and we'll be here again, you know. So when we head out, we're gonna go to Vegas and then get that work done, and then we're gonna leave back to California because my niece is graduating, going to high school, so we got to get back for that, and then a couple of birthdays, and then we'll head out to see the grandkids, so if all goes well. And they're across in Maryland, so got a new granddaughter. Her name is Leia Avery. That's my little brown sugar drop. We're gonna go see them, so if all goes well, we should have a nice trip down and see my other grandkids, Savannah and Christopher. So I have 3 grandkids now, 2 daughters, 3 grandkids, so gonna go see them. Yeah, I need to clean this coach up. I would walk around, let you guys see more of the park, but it's really not much to see in this park. I mean, you have a pool. It's a small pool over there. If you can see that building there. Pool there, and over there at the end they have horseshoe tossing, and then to the left they have pickleball courts. So that's the entrance. We're right off of 10, so, or 10 or 5 or whatever. One of those highway, I think it's 10. Right off of 10. So that's 10 right there. So it's easy on and off getting to 10. Now, like I said, you're about 20 miles from the border, 10 miles, 15 miles from the border, somewhere around there. Not too far. And that's a quick video of our whereabouts. Talk to you guys later.
Third at T-Mobile.com/MLB.